All right, let's say you guys are just looking for a beautiful, your dream cabin, you're downsizing, or you want to upsize, right? I don't know, which angle you're coming from, but this one here is the Appalachian cabin, guys. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this thing. Look at these steps. They're made of half logs. And look at the views, 20-foot high ceilings, just a beautiful cabin, guys. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033 if you're interested in an Amish built cabin. These are just lovely. Let me hit the lights here. There you go. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Got a little study desk over here behind me. That door goes into your full loft area. We can also leave it wide open if you want as well. And look at those steps, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Built by the Amish. We ship them all over the United States, guys. Look at the quality. Give us a call today if you're interested in a cabin. Let's get you one of these beautiful cabins on your land. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I love this cabin. This is the one we call the Appalachian cabin. And to me, it's like the dream home, When you're ready to hang up your cleats, you've put in your time, you're ready to retire. This is the one that you can really call home, right? This is the one you can really call home. Look at that. I love this open concept here, right? I love that open concept. I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6". So I love when I go into a home and the home makes me feel small, because most of the time I'm trying to squeeze in to places. Well, not here, guys, not here. Here, this feels like home. You know what I'm saying? Put one of these out and you land out in the woods and call it a day. Just put your feet up and relax. Enjoy your retirement. What more can you ask for? I mean, really, what more can you ask for? Remember, all your brand name appliances are included. You got your Frigidaire, you got your dishwasher, Whirlpool, microwave, you got your stove. Look at them handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Now remember, some of this stuff, like these steps, some of these cabinets, these are upgrades now. So keep that in mind. The Amish put the good stuff out on display now. So keep that in mind. Some of what you see here is definitely upgrades, but nonetheless, I mean, you see the beauty in it. You see how beautiful this model is right here. You see how beautiful it is. Look at that. Underneath them steps, full logs. Got a little spot here for your dog or your cat. Going down the hallway again. To the right, you got inside this is your water heater. Got your water heater right there. Got some more handcrafted cabinets. You got your side-by-side washer and dryer. Out there, you got your little back porch you can put out there. Open this up. You got your 200 amp electric ready to go. Got your thermostat here for a little baseboard heater. Okay, you come back out. Remember, this one here is a 3-bed, 2-bath downstairs. And then you got the loft upstairs, making it a 4-bed, 2-bath. And then you'll see we have the option to add a bathroom in the loft upstairs to make it a 4-bed, 3-bath. Okay. So you see how we got the bathroom area here. Got your commode back there. Okay. There you go. Little closet right over here. Just beautifully done. You know what I'm saying? Just beautifully done. Going down the hallway. They got that set up as a little office. But before we go down there, look at this. Got a twin set of beds for the kids' room. Everybody always asks, where's the closets? Where's the closets? Well, here's the closet right here. There's the closet. Even got a little vacuum in there. So there's your closet. Okay. And then over here, bedroom number 2. Again, you do have a closet right over here in bedroom number 2. There you go, a couple of windows. And then here we go into bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. Beautiful. That's a huge king size Amish built bed. You got your mini split up there. This overlooks the front porch, by the way. So there's your front porch. And let me give you this angle here. Again, you got another window over here, right? And behind that door, everybody always asks about closets again, right? So let me show you the closet so I don't miss out on that. You got a nice size closet in here. Hit the light. There you go. Good size closet. It even got a little pocket door with it. Inside the master bedroom. Everybody always asks, where's the closet? So I want to show that behind the door here in the master. And I don't want to forget nothing, because sometimes I make these videos and I didn't see the closet. I'm like, just chill. It got a closet. Trust me, it got a closet, you know. So again, going into the bathroom area, you got your his and hers. Beautifully done. Okay. And close that door. Again, you got another bathroom closet here for your bathroom essentials. Right over here. Got your shower. And remember, guys, if there's something y'all don't like as far as the design goes, remember, you can customize this cabin so you're not stuck to getting it done the way you see it here. You can always customize it, okay? And then you got a window here facing the front porch. Of course, you got privacy curtains and all that. And you got your commode right there. And again, we can move things around if you so desire us to do so. We can move things around. So, with that said, isn't that beautiful, guys? Is that not beautiful? I'm trying to make sure I get all the angles of this cabin, because when I film it, it's sometimes difficult to get all the different angles there. But today I'm determined to take my time with it and show you all as much of it. Again, behind the door, you got that closet. There's your remote control for your mini split, your light switches. Again, three bedrooms, 2 bath. You got your communal bathroom in the master, and then your shared bathroom down here. Okay. So go on up to the front again. And I just like stopping here and showing you all these views. 20-foot high ceilings. Look at this. Tell me that's not a beautiful cabin, guys.
Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys our beautiful park model called the Rocky. Let's go inside and I'll show you this beautiful model. Alright, so as you guys walk in, you see the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it really has everything that you need. It has a mini fridge here, a 4-burner stove with a little oven. I don't know if this is a full-size oven, but I think it's a mini size. But your sink and a window right over the sink, cabinets down below, and I think you can maybe upgrade the cabinets up here if you want to. But for right now, you know, we wanted to have this cute shelves, you know, to put any decoration, mugs, or anything that you have. And as you can see over here, we have this beautiful big window, make it very nice and airy. It's very bright in here, very welcoming. And over here, and you have a little storage up here on top of the fridge too, which is really nice and spacious. You can store a lot of stuff here. You can use it as your little pantry and the fridge. And I think they put down like a little, like a space for your spices or anything you want to store. And as you walk this way, you have the bathroom. It's nice and spacious for our remodel. It's a what do you call it?
Walk-in shower.
Walk-in shower.
Yep.
And we have the washer and dryer stackable up here, and again another storage up there, and more storage over here. As you turn in your medicine cabinet, I really like these. I like the accent colors and everything. and more storage over here to store your makeup, your whatever you have. And we have some drawers down here. These are really nice.
Got the slow close.
Slow close. That's important. And like if any cleaning supplies you can store down here. And then another beautiful window over here. Make it again very nice and spacious. And actually a small, if you can get that small window again in the bathroom. We don't have this hooked to electricity or anything, but you can see how bright that is. And then right on this side, far end, we have the bedroom.
Yeah, and there is electricity in the unit. We just don't have it hooked up, obviously.
That's right.
We have 200 amp electric or 110, whichever you need. We can run that electric throughout the whole
And we have the mini split head over here. It's a Bosch.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's one of the nicer ones, right? And
Yes,
then-
Bosch mini splits, and like she mentioned, you got your double pane Anderson windows, top of the line Anderson
Very
windows.
fancy. You can control it with the remote controller.
Yeah.
And put it right back in so you don't lose it.
You got your tongue and groove knotty pine ceiling, and we got that stained dark.
I want to talk about the ceiling that goes throughout the whole RV. It's gorgeous. What is it? You said it's tongue and groove.
Tongue and groove pine.
I like the accent colors.
Yep.
Oh, look at that up there.
Yep, wide open.
White open, so cool.
Again, guys, when you have a smaller space, you always want to go light walls, dark ceiling, dark floors, and big windows. That way it really opens up the whole home and makes it feel a lot larger than what it is. And one of the things that I wanted to touch on real quick is these walls, guys. I know it looks on film like it's drywall or sheetrock. It is not. Okay, this is birch plywood. Listen to this. You hear that?
Solid.
That's solid wood, guys. That's not sheetrock or drywall. And the reason the Amish use this product is, again, real wood quality. And when you ship these things down the road, you know what happens to drywall. It might warp, it might break. Well, birch plywood is not going to do that. This is solid wood. So these things are built solid, built to last, built by the Amish. Okay, so moving on, Nadia.
You can get that another head.
Yeah, got another Bosch mini split over there. And again, you see the theme with the recessed lights up top.
Very cool.
Dark ceiling again. You got your second Bosch mini split. And then you got bedroom number two.